No matter how many times you stare at that AN fitting, you still manage to grab the wrong size wrench. Well, Earl's has a solution for you. It's our line of fully adjustable AN wrenches. Just one Earl's adjustable wrench can replace a complete set of wrenches, saving you both time and money. Earl's adjustable wrenches quickly adjust from -3 to a -12 hose end or any size in between with just the flick of your thumb. Earl's also offers a mini version of its adjustable wrench. They're designed for -3 to -8 AN fittings and can be purchased individually or as a set with our standard wrench. They're not only a handy tool to have, but they can help prevent over-tightening of Earl's hose ends, adapters, and fittings. Earl's adjustable AN wrenches are CNC machined from military-grade 7075 billet aluminum. The rugged aluminum construction provides excellent durability while keeping weight to a mere 7.2 ounces for our standard wrench and only 6.5 ounces for the mini. No matter how greasy your hands might be, the Earl nickel-plated thumb wheel gives you precision adjustability and maintains the correct torque and tension for precision feel every time you use it. Our AN adjustable wrenches are wrapped in a durable black anodized finish with the bold Earl's logo, making it easy to find no matter how unorganized your toolbox might be. The uniquely curved lower jaw and chamfered nose offers extra clearance for getting into those hard to reach places. We even chamfered the edges of the handles to fit more comfortably in your hand and give you some extra grip when you need it the most. So whether you're thrashing in the pits, rushing to the staging lanes, or just wrenching in the garage, be sure to have an Earl's adjustable wrench in your hand. Thanks for watching. To find out more about Earl's adjustable AN wrenches, visit our website at earls.com.